Wow! Ayos. Sino magkakalang isang mudya ko makakarating din?
Gulong-gulong ka lang dati.
No, mga NYPD.
Parang talaga siya naka-float.
Yo, what's up? Good morning everyone. Today is September 19, 2025. Day 3 here in Baltimore, Maryland. And ang oras na ngayon ay 5:46 a.m. And today, we are going to New York. Alam ko napaka-exciting nitong trip nito because after 2 days, day 1 we went to Baltimore City. Day 2 we went to Washington DC. And today on our 3rd day, may chance kami na mapuntahan ang pinakasikat na city sa buong mundo. Kaya naman tara, samahan niyo kami guys. And let's go!
Times Square!
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the biting, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall.
Wow.
A frog trash can.
Huh?
It's a trash can.
Frog trash can? Try to put anything there.
Oh, the trash can?
Guys, we're here now at New Jersey.
Burger King ko eh. Mamiss mo rin Burger King.
Ako, laging pong yan ang ano namin doon. Pangtawid gutom.
Third go to. Malimit ako na ako ng ganito eh. Dito minsan ako naghahanap ng mapupuntahan. Kaya, huwag na naman mo ubus yung pumunta sa bahay na.
Wow, New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Well, actually, this is a 4-hour drive, but I think mas mapapaga kami ng dating kasi wala masyadong traffic.
Hey.
Ayan. Tuloy na tayo. How about you?
It depends.
You're a sour person?
Not too much. So
Why are you smiling?
So Daniel's gonna explain the
game.
Yeah, and I think practically who has like
The
the
most.
least reaction wins.
Oh, okay.
Then it's reaction. And then, ang dali ng bunso. Hindi, simula yun eh.
Pink.
Yeah, I want pink.
Oh, that's one.
Watermelon.
Okay.
Dapat bunso, the best reaction wins.
The best reaction.
Yun, hindi kasi pag no reaction, madali lang yun eh.
Best reaction wins.
Best reaction bunso.
Okay, okay.
Ready?
That's it.
One.
Same time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two, three. I got shower.
May sunglasses eh. Si ano? Sure Leonardo, Daniel.
I didn't expect that.
Eat this.
Yan.
I didn't.
Almost got the top.
Oh, that's the sour. The sour.
Isn't it not sour anymore? It's not sour anymore.
Still sour.
But we put it in the same time.
Ano ba ba dyan?
What is it?
Sour patch.
Don't give the driver, bunso.
Sour.
New York.
Sa kaliwa po.
Yan, New York yan. Puro buildings na yan.
That book of
At saka na lang pagdating nila.
We're here. Let's go. Are you excited to watch this?
yes.
Yeah.
What?
That's a train.
Oh, dati itong
Oh, ito.
train station. Yan siya.
If there's watermelon, then there should be air melon, fire melon, and earth melon. The elemelon.
Elemelon.
Was that a joke? Are you kidding me?
If a fly loses its wings, it will be called a walk.
What?
We didn't get it.
If a fly
Mhm.
Fly?
loses its wings,
Yes.
it will become a walk.
Oh.
Yung dalawang pader na to.
Opo.
Yung dalawang pader na yan, yung view na yan, nandyan yung dalawang Twin Towers dati.
Hmm.
911. September 11. Yan.
Grabe, ito na. Diba? Ganda na. Skyline po ang tawag.
Skyline. Huge sky.
Wow. Yeah.
Dream come true.
Gusto nyo? Para makasakay na lang tayo.
Look at that. Guys. Ito na. CRR and NJ. Two ferries. Hudson Engineers and Consultants. Wow. Ganda. Security screening.
Like an airport for boats.
Waiting room nila.
Yay, we have a seat.
I just wanna let
Turtle and Evie the Hammy. We should call your hamster Marshy the Hammy.
Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling a zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me a story,
Oh my goodness.
but I don't believe you. Every now and then you lose in life. What you're risking when you roll the dice. Now I'm gonna place the bet on me. I do believe you will learn what it's like to fail. Gave a little and far too late. Now it's time for you to up and leave. I do believe. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling a zero, no hint of
It's party new.
Kunwari nagulat dito.
Diyan yan matagal yun dahil tapos hindi mo makakancel kung ano man. May elevator yan. Kung mazuzoom mo yung hawak ng Statue of Liberty,
Yung
nandun yung
torch
date.
po.
Kung kailan siya dumating dito sa Amerika, i-zoom mo doon, nandun yung date.
Parang July 11 MCCS
1886.
1886 11.
In her left hand, the Statue of Liberty holds a tablet inscribed with the date of American independence, July 4, 1776 in Roman numerals.
July 4
Ayan, no? July
MD.
4, 1776. July 4, 1776 yung independence mo.
Sabi mo yun sa trivia mo, sa vlog.
Ayun. Sa tingin ko July 4 siya dumating.
Of July kasi, babe, ay Independence Day nila.
Sa tingin ko nino yung July 4 ay Independence Day yun.
Dito Totoy, kapag yung New Year's Eve, yung fireworks ng New York, nakapalibot dyan sa buong sa Hudson River. Kasi was like, dahil may fireworks, may bars, tapos bars dito. Kasi gumagano dito to. Ulo ko, anong tuwa ni Chichi? Pag nakarating si Papa mo dito.
Alam mo na yung itinerary.
Pa, kita niyo yung hawak ng libro.
Ano?
Date ang nakasulat dyan. Alam niyo kung anong date yun? American Independence yun.
Yes!
Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you. I do believe it.
Yung pinakamagandang view dito yan.
Bakit nino?
Yung kilikili dito. Yung statue dito. Pagkakatagal niya nakagayan, hindi pa nangangalay. Ano na rin? Nakala mo naman rin sa
It has busky.
Baskil.
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 I do believe it. I do believe it. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling a zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you. I do believe it. I do believe it.
Wait, is it actually waffle?
Grabe, ang daming tao. Guys, papuntang New York yung mga yan. Ang daming tao nila, no?
New York.
New York po na.
Ano mo yan? Oh.
Grabe. Bilis eh. Kubita.
Sa madaling salita ba niya?
You didn't know it, Daniel? Kubita? I didn't realize it too at first.
Dito may kubita. Ako na
And guys, bale, kakagaling lang namin sa Statue of Liberty. Statue. Sorry. And now, we're heading to
911 Memorial.
911 Memorial.
Yes.
Yes.
Miami, Maryland, DC, New Jersey, New York. Ang malamang state agad.
Stay like that. Kaya maganda na sa amin sa Maryland eh. Ang lalapit lahat eh.
Holland Tunnel. Oh.
Not the orange gun.
Yan o! Yay!
Ayos na.
Use the right two lanes and turn left.
Whoa!
Bali lahat mo to. Ganito ang style to mga parking. Pasok ka sa loob, kukunin nila yung susi mo. At saka pa, yan.
Then they will take it to park while
Oh,
you go
iwan.
out.
Oo.
Wow! Nakarating ang mangyan.
Oo talaga, nakarating lang yan.
Nakakarating ang mangyan sa New York. Ganda oh. Daniel is very happy.
Ano to? Ayos?
Oo, may nakausap din oh. Oo nga eh. Sino magkakalang isang mudya ko eh, makakarating din.
Pagulong-gulong ka lang dati.
Yan o, mga NYPD oh.
You want to be a police here.
Yes. Ninong, kung ako mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na maging NYPD, payag ako kahit police dog. Fire department. Oo nga po eh, Cube.
Para talaga siya naka-float. Doon kaya, pumunta sa may... Ano?
Mga tindahan na dito.
Pili na natin ito. Tayo.
One more.
I I was thinking when I don't remember.
$1 keychain.
No.
Burger King.
The burger
Favorite ni Papa Peng.
with bacon.
Wala naman yan sa Cayman. Yung Burger King na yan. Ito yung bus, babe. In New York. Hang hung. Daniel, what was your reaction about the film?
So sad. Yeah.
What you have in your mouth?
It was so sad.
Itong gitna
Heavy
nito.
ng pakiramdam.
Ito ay bakal.
Got sa atin.
Mhm.
Tinawagan ako ni, kailangan si Jenalyn, ano?
Ako.
Sabi niya, Al, tingnan mo yung balita, oh, yung building ay sumakbo. Ay, parang din, ha? Ayun siya totoo yun, Pintawas, no?
Ito siya. And after. Mga steel structure. Ibig sabihin, ito yung isolation joint ng building.
Maybe it's so hard to find out.
Wow! Sa fire truck.
Did you enjoy the museum? Yes.
Me? Yes. Kakain lang kami saglit, maghanap lang kami ng makakainan, and then pupunta na kami sa Brooklyn Bridge, saka sa Dumbo. Ayan. What's that?
I got you a 911 bracelet for souvenir. It was free.
That's nice, thank you.
No, where's Daddy?
Oh, look at that. There's a lot now.
Oh, ito na baby, sinasabi mo ano,
Daddy, I got you nine.
fishbone. At mga pagkain yun.
Uy, there's a Filipino flag. Maybe there's a Filipino food. Come on, let's eat.
Uy.
You go downstairs. Ay, kung hindi ako nag-isip na bumalik, I'll never know.
Filipino food.
Filipino talaga tayo.
I got you.
Do you know, Daniel, yesterday when we went to White House, the Philippine national anthem is playing there. Oh, party. Jamaican party.
Galing ka na sa Jamaica.
Eh, kaninong, baka miss nyo na yung party. What is this? Japanese food.
Masarap yung tutoy.
Potok batok. Sa ng Philippines. Ayun.
Yeah.
Wow.
Filipino food.
Filipino food?
It's not the first time that I'm happy. It's not the first time I feel good. but it's been a while since that happened. Knock on wood. I try to stay cool on the surface. I'd ask you to stay if I could. Though my lips are sealed, you still get me, yeah you do. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple. Of ours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple. Of hours away from love. So kiss me again and again and again. Just give me goosebumps. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. You give me goosebumps. If you lead the way, then I'll follow. Wherever your heart wants to be, I'll try to keep up in your shadow, feeling good.
Okay, so where are we going now? Daniel?
Brooklyn Bridge. And the ice cream place. Then Dumbo.
I'll ask you to stop, but I want the way that we both feel about this just means go. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple. Of hours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again.
Pupunta na tayo guys sa Brooklyn Bridge. What time is it? 4:45 p.m. Ayan na ang Brooklyn Bridge.
Dito tayo, Manhattan.
Ay, Manhattan pala ito. So this is already Dumbo. Dumbo hotdog.
Look.
Whoa! Grabe, ang daming tao.
Yan, yung view na yan, ang pinaka-instagrammable na.
Wow! Let's go, let's go.
Empire State of.
Oh, kita mo
Ay,
tayo
oo,
doon.
ano?
Oh, yan, kita mo.
Yun yung Empire State. Ayun yung Empire State. Oh.
Ay, napako siya.
Meron nag-propose guys.
Napako, ano?
Aray guys, oh, ang ganda ng Brooklyn Bridge. Oh, garne pala itsura na sa personal. Ay, pagkaganda. Sana yung mapuntahan nyo. Aray, ako ay tuwan-tuwa din eh. Napakaganda kahit sa ang pwesto eh. Ano eh? Talaga naman. Ooh. Uso pa rin pala yung varsity jacket.
Mabalik ulit ito yan.
Varsity jacket po.
Mabalik ulit.
This is the famous stairs to Brooklyn Bridge.
Like the
Step.
burning.
Yeah. Babe, ito na yung Brooklyn Bridge mo.
Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Bitch. Look at this.
Welcome to Brooklyn. Sa kabila, welcome to Manhattan, Ninong.
Oh boy,
Uy.
natututo ka na.
Siyempre, I'm queer. Brooklyn Bridge. Wow. Grabe. Ha? Ha? Pakabli lang. Bye, Brooklyn! Bye-bye, Brooklyn Bridge! Grabe na yun, sobrang saya po.
So regular, medium. How about the richness? Spicy, mild, spicy.
We're here again at Ichiran Ramen. I remember when we were in Taiwan, kumain din kami dito sa Ichiran. Problema na na-corrupt lahat ng clips namin sa Taiwan, kaya hindi ko na siya na-upload. Hindi na namin tatapusin itong vlog namin for the day. I hope nag-enjoy kayo guys. See you next vlog. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat. God bless. Takal natin ang camera in 3, 2, 1. Pagkakainit pa ganito.